Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will be making a rock, paper, scissors project. And let's get straight into it because I have no time to waste. I have 15 minutes to go and let's start. Okay, so the final result would be something like this. So I'm going to say rock, the computer has picked paper, and I lose. I'm going to play again. I'm going to say paper, pick rock, I win. I'm gonna say no, bye, it quits. Simple enough. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna close this. I'm going to get rid of that. Now I'm gonna say import random, and I'm going to make choices. So these choices are gonna be equal to the array of rock, paper, or scissors. And now the computer choice will be a random from this array. So I'm going to say choices random.randint. This is a better way to do it than random.choice. I feel more confident with this way, but you can do it whichever way you want. Okay, so this, and then we're gonna put an array of 0 to 2 because those are the indexes. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to say player choice. We're gonna set that equal to input of please pick rock, paper, or scissors. Okay, and I'm gonna call dot lower on this because we don't want our user to say rock if they have caps lock on and then an error pops up. So now player choice is okay, so now we're gonna say if player choice is equal to rock or in rock or R. We're gonna print out we're gonna make another if statement called and we're gonna say computer choice is equal to rock. Then we want to say print you picked rock, computer picked rock, you tied. Okay, now we will just say elif computer choice is equal to scissors. Then I'm gonna say print you picked rock, computer picked scissors, you win. Okay, now elif computer choice is equal to paper, and we're gonna print you picked rock, computer picked paper, you lose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the this all with paper and scissors by myself, so we're not wasting any time on that logic. But I'll see you then, and yeah. Okay, so I've just blazed through typing all of this down. There's one problem though. Okay, Good. Now we want to make it so that we can replay this. So I'm going to put this wrap this all in a function called def, and then I'm gonna say pick. I'm gonna indent all of that, and I'm gonna say play again equals input. Why does this keep coming up? Do you want to play again? Y or N? And let's call the $lower function on here. And remember, you can pause anytime you want. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video and please tell me in the comments below that I'm going too fast and I need to slow down. So I'm gonna say if play again is equal to, or is in Y or yes, then I'm gonna say pick, and elif play again in N or no. Then I'm gonna say print by, and I'm going to, oops, you can't see that, can you? There we go. But I make it just a little bit smaller so it fits the screen. Okay. Big. Okay, there you go. Print by, and then I'm gonna say quit. And to run this whole thing, I'm gonna say pick, and hopefully this is bug free. Let's run it. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock. Computer, pick, rock, you tied. Paper. Tied. Scissors. I lose. Okay. Okay, so it's running perfectly. You can see it's only 49 lines of code. If you could not see the code like in my live stream, and please go check that out. If you go to my channel, if you go to the videos, then my live stream should hopefully be there. And yeah, so please go check that out if you want to. Code is in the description below. PyCharm link download is in my live stream project, and so yeah, so please check out my channel. It'll be over here, my playlist over here, and my video over here. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to like if you like this, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and so you don't miss a video. If you didn't like this, please hit that dislike button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.